Hi all, my voice is audible. Can anyone confirm?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, thanks. So now we'll know about your introduction. What is your name and in which domain you are working and how many years of experience you have. Anyone can start so that we can understand in better way.
Yeah, hi. Uh, Good morning, Chandan. This side, Chandan Rajgupta. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yeah, Chandan. Audible.
Yeah, I'm Chandan Rajgupta. Currently, I'm working. I work for Addiction Global, Noida location. I work here as a BO and engineer, as a support engineer. I'm looking here 4G and 5G support. Also looking for BSc support. So I would like to join this classes because of testing. Testing is also involved packet testing, packet drop, and another troubleshoot. We'll have to work here. So that's why I'm looking for 4G and 5G protocol testing.
Okay, great. Next.
Hi, hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, Chandan. Audible.
Hi, my name is Chandan Kumar. Uh, Currently, I'm working for Team Lease. Actually, I'm outsourced there in ATC, American Tower, company as a project engineer. I'm just taking care for the 5G deployment for Geo infra perspective only.
Oh,
Uh, Previously, I was there in Nokia for field manager as a for 4G project. I was looking taking care, and I'm doing self study for protocol testing currently, and I'm just looking for job in that field.
so Chandan, in previous organization you are in technical domain and you joined ATC in non-technical domain.
No, I was there in management actually, uh,
Okay,
partially technical, but I was doing the means management, manpower management and all.
okay. Total years of
Team task.
experience.
I have almost 14 years experience.
Okay, okay, great. Next.
Hi, I am Asif Siddiqui from Pune. I'm working in Pros Technology as a process engineer and I have total 5 years of experience.
What
So
type of
I'm looking,
process?
yeah, I'm looking base station antennas and microwave antennas manufacturing process.
Manufacturing process. Okay, okay. Next.
Hi, I'm Sanjeev Kumar. I'm working in Geo planning team. I have total approximately 19 years of experience in packet core domain and currently looking this EPC and 5GC planning in Mumbai.
Okay, Sanjeev, in which circle you are working?
I'm working in central planning team,
Okay,
looking all the sectors.
you are in NHQ.
Yeah, right.
Okay, okay, great. Next. Next, guys, we have limited times. Will not spend more time. So give me fast.
Hi, hi.
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, yes, audible.
Yeah, Dr. Vidati here. I work from DY Patil University at Navi Mumbai, and 5G security is my research area. That was the main objective to join this workshop. Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks. Next.
Hi, this is Shams from Chennai. I'm working in Ericsson. I'm a engineering head for the Bharati service delivery. Okay, I'm taking care of 2G, 3G, 4G, and now recently we have added 5G also for service delivery. We are taking care of Bharati Airtel's network in managed services.
Okay, okay, great. Next.
Hello, is I audible?
Yes, audible.
Yeah, I am Sanjay Vidhani and I am doing my research under Dr. Vidhati sir on 5G security, and that is the reason I am here to join this session.
Hi, hello. Hi, my name is Sean. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Suman, audible.
Yeah, so I work in Tioco Software in their R&D technology team, and I have joined this tutorial to understand like what is the scope in RAN protocol testing, what actually the job in protocol testing area. So in my present organization, I work on 3GPP specification for 3G, 4G, 5G, and also vendor. I have Ericsson vendor experience. Thank you.
Okay. Suman, how many years of experience total?
I have total 13 years of experience.
13 years. Okay, great. Next.
Hello, my name is Rintu Bora. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, audible.
I'm from Assam. Actually, I am working in Wipro Technologies as a networking administrator. But now I want to switch the into a telecom domain. So I joined the this workshop. Sir.
Okay, next.
Hi, I'm Rashmi. I have a 6 months of experience working in Qualcomm as LTE 5G modem thermal test engineer, and currently I'm looking for this 5G modem system test engineer. That's the reason I joined this session. Protocol analysis is the main for this modem system test engineer. So I think this session will benefit me.
Yeah. I appreciate Rashmi, and even in 6 month experience or 6 years.
6 months of experience.
Okay, it's
I'm
a
a
great.
recent post-master graduate.
Okay, great. I appreciate to you. In
Thank you.
6 months, you are in this platform where we are providing 4G, 5G, Open RAN, protocol testing, and
Okay.
log analysis.
Yeah, I mainly worked on the UE side in
Yeah.
Qualcomm.
But training
Yeah.
belongs to UE and RAN both.
Okay, so I
There
have
is
an
no
experience in
any,
this
there
QXT.
is no any major difference. Just only one layer difference in UE and E node region.
Okay, yeah, we used a callbox key site. I worked in a lab team.
Okay, no issue. Next.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. I am audible.
Yes, Deepak, audible.
Yeah, sir. I am Deepak Sharma, currently working in Rakuten Symphony in Kiba Lab, Japan,
Okay.
and I have total 9 year of experience. So currently, my job profile is troubleshooting both GNB and UE side issues. But sometime I face difficulty in UE log analysis in QCAT with respect to 5G technology, and so that's why I just joined this session to get more insight, like how I can correlate the algorithm which are written in the G node V to the UE side, like how any SCG failure is happening, why this happen, or any like any RLF and this kind of scenarios, like that will be really benefit. That's why I joined.
Okay, great.
Thanks.
Everything will provide, no issue. Yeah,
Thanks.
next. Next. Rakesh, Karthik, guys, if you please left from this platform because this is not right place for you. If you are not able to introduce yourself, we have another 5 minutes. So remaining candidate, give introduce yourself. Yeah, Mohammed.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, Mohammed. I'm hearing you.
Yeah, I'm Mohammad Fazil.
I'm working as an RF engineer, about 2 year experience.
Total years of experience, Ahmad? How many years?
2 years, sir.
2 years. Okay. Next.
Hi, hi. This is Prasant. I work as a network engineer in Ericsson Global, and I joined this platform to learn about protocol testing, and I switched from performance optimization engineer to as a protocol testing engineer.
Okay. So Prashant, you are JS4, JS5. How many years of experience total?
I have 6 years of experience total.
Okay, 6 years experience. You are RPA resource or permanent employee of
ARP resource. I am.
ARP? Okay.
Yes.
Next.
Hi, sir. This side from Rakesh. Working with Reliance Jio with 9 year experience and profile as a call engineer
You are in Maharashtra?
in a UP circle.
UP circle. Okay. Total year of experience, Rakesh?
Total year of experience in telecom sector 9 years, sir.
9 year. In 5G there is no much deployment of microwave as
Yes, in
compared to
currently
2G, 3G, 4G.
yes. Currently working at project working on 4G and 5G in parallel both.
Okay, great. Next.
Hello, morning sir.
Yeah, morning.
Myself, Prem Chaudhary, working in election as in a quality department. But my background is technical. I work in Nokia in a RAN site as a site engineer. I have total 10 years of experience.
Okay. So Prem, I hope your package is not greater than 10 lakh.
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
it
yeah.
right or not?
Yes, yes, sir.
That is the problem of
Correct.
our telecom.
Yes, sir.
Many
Correct.
candidates are moving due to this particular reason
Yes, sir.
because our
Right.
experience is going forward to 20 years, but our package is less than 10 lakh.
Yes, sir. Correct.
90, 70 to 80% professionals are struggling just pay out.
Yes, sir. Right.
Nobody is seeing for this. Yeah,
Mm,
next.
we
Anyone?
all are facing the same issue actually.
Majority is facing this similar issue because
Actually, RAM part having means job uncertainty also.
yes, correct. So let's guys enjoy with Rahul, the today instructor Rahul. Rahul, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here. Hi,
Yeah.
all.
Hi, can you introduce yourself? I think Harav or somebody.
Yeah, my name is Arav, and I having experience around 15 plus. I joined Ericsson and spent around 7 plus years of experience in Ericsson EGI, and then worked for Reliance Jio, Mumbai NSU for quality and assurance team. So overall, I worked 20 plus operators across the globe, and last 2 years working for on projects and deliveries and training. This is overall story about me.
Your location?
My location is Pune.
Okay. You are currently working with Ericsson or some other company? Or
No. Currently working with on organization.
same RF Tech Solutions, no?
Yes. We have on projects with multiple like Qualcomm, MediaTek,
Okay.
chipset testing in
And
other
how long?
companies.
When was this established? This RF
Is
Solutions?
Arab Tech established last 11 year back, but I joined in last 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you only started, but you joined 2 years before only, huh?
I started, but somehow looking for another person, and I joined in last 2 years back. We have a on project in Vietnam like VNM Mobile and Vina phone and movie phone like operator. We are working for protocol testing since last 2 years.
Okay, fine.
We have on team in India, 20 plus team for log analyzer and modem as well as the Node V, Node V sites. We are working for the other country as well. We are expanding our market. day to day. We are building a team also. Yeah, Rahul, over to you.
Yeah, hi. So in short, like currently we are working in two domain. First one is training, so delivering end-to-end training from like so with the help of this training you can switch from any other domain to a testing domain. Second one, we have our in-house resources, in-house projects, so we can deploy our trained people in that projects as well, and we are hiring from outside. So this is in short, we are working in two domains for now. So from training point of view, we are in this like individual groups as well as some professional training to companies and group of people, so like that. So anything more you want to know? Samshuddin, I think.
So placement is also there. Placement facility is also there,
Placement
right?
facility is also there, but you have to face your interview. We can't guarantee you the position. Okay. But
Okay.
definitely till your placement, we will help you out. From preparation point of view, arranging interview for you, like time to time analyzing of your skill set. These things are there. Like
Will
we have separate
the sessions will go on means online or offline? Actually, we also stay here in Pune only.
no, like
Okay.
earlier we were in offline mode, but now after this corona, we switched completely to online session only.
Where it is situated actually?
Uh, Arav, like address, I am not sure.
It's situated to Hadapsar, Pune.
Hadapsar, exactly.
Okay. Actually, we are here nearby Undri. So
Undri.
yeah.
But last 2 years we are only online. Whatever we have been providing, we
And
have.
If we want, can we visit?
Yeah, you can call to Deepak. Deepak will align the budget.
okay, so
Okay.
our HR team, you can like check with them. Okay, and one more thing, like from I want to clear, like from trainer point of view, we are not the full-time trainer here. Okay, so we are working professionals, team of working professionals, mostly. So we are also working in some reputed organizations. I don't want to disclose that organization. Okay, so in that way, you will get the practical exposure, real-time experience, and many more things. Okay.
So one more question. So
Yeah,
this is a one time training session, or this will be a continued one? How is it going to be?
Yeah, it will take around 4 months to complete the thing. And the session we'll discuss later. Enjoy the technical session. We'll catch you at the end of the session. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
okay. Any other thing on this front, guys?
We'll
Okay.
discuss later. You can start.
Sure.
Thanks.
Okay. Okay. So, guys, let me share my screen. So, just let me know when you can see my screen. Able to see my screen, guys?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, as most of you are new in field, like some of you I feel working in the same domain, testing domain, directly or indirectly, but some of you are in new in this domain. So I will start with the protocol. Like, what is that protocol? What do we mean with this protocol? Like, generally you heard that protocol testing, LT protocol testing, 5G protocol testing. So what does that mean? Protocol testing. Okay. So let's start with that term only. So our question is, what is protocol? Anyone?
It's a set of rules which help to establish a communication.
Yes, exactly. Any other? This is like pretty much as per book language, right? Any other thing? Like roughly what you understood, like book language, that is fine, the set of rule. But sometimes, like when we start learning a thing, new thing, so that is easy to memorize the thing, learn the thing, like this is the definition. But what you understood, man, means what is your mind when I say protocol?
No,
What comes in your mind?
protocol is a set of rules, syntax, semantics.
Hmm.
Say, for example, synchronization of communication and other possible recovery methods, all those kind of stuff, right?
Okay, so we start with this three thing. Okay, what is protocol? What all protocols we have in LT? Okay, in 5G as well. So in LT, we'll first go with LT and who defined this protocol. Okay, so let's first discuss this protocol. Okay, so yes, this is right. Protocol is set of rule. Okay, so where we are using this set of rule and what all type of rules we have and means what all protocols we have. So set of rules means suppose to communicate with each other. So I'm not taking example of whole system, but just two things. Taking example, this is my UE, okay? This is my UE, and this is my inode B, okay? And we just want to establish a connection between these two, right? This is our motive, okay? So we have to define a language. I will use this particular term language instead of protocol, okay? So we have to define one language. So with the help of the language, our two entity inode B and UE can communicate with each other, okay? And what all language we are trying to implement? Suppose here we are implementing Hindi, here also we are implementing Hindi, so they can communicate with each other easily, right? Makes sense. And suppose due to any reason this particular entity knows Hindi and this knows English, so it's means they never can communicate with each other properly, right guys? So we are defining some rules to for this one and this one, means common set of rule, common things. So whatever inode be sending, you can understand, and whatever inode be sending, our sorry, you is sending, our inode be can understand. So this is our motive, this is what protocol means, okay? Now let's discuss what all protocols we have. Okay, this is fine, like make sense what is protocol for everyone?
Yeah, so far so good.
Okay, now okay, we are clear with this thing. Now second thing, what all protocols we have. Okay, so again, okay, this is my UE. UE means my user equipment, okay, my handset, whatever mobile or handset you are using, that is my UE, user equipment, okay? Then same inode B, then we have MME. Okay, so majorly we have divided protocols into three layer, okay? L1, L2 and L3, okay? These are layers, means three layer we have, okay? So L1 we have physical protocol, protocol, physical layer protocol, okay? In L2 we have MAC, RLC and PDCP. In L3 we have RRC and NAS. Okay, so this RRC and NAS majorly, if we compare, so these two protocol is majorly responsible for signaling part or control part. Okay, so let's draw these protocol here in these three entity. Okay, So it's the same protocols we have in 5G, okay, but just one addition here, SDAP layer, okay, in L2, but just we are going with LT first, okay.
Which is the entity you told additional in available in 5G?
LT, L2, SDAP.
L2 SDAP.
Hmm. Topmost layer is our RRC, sorry, NAS layer, then RRC layer, okay. This is part of L3. This is part of L3, okay. Then we have L2. In L2 we have three layer, PDCP, RLC, then MAC, okay. Then here we have L1 layer, 5 layer protocols, okay. So these three are L2, this is my L1, okay. In same way we have in eNode B, okay. The only change is we don't have NAS layer in eNode B, okay. We have NAS layer in MME. NAS is kind of core layer protocol, okay. Same here we have RRC, here we have PDCP, here we have RLC, here we have MAC, then we have 5, okay. And remaining one NAS we have here. NAS, okay. So these many protocols we have in LT, okay. And this is how they define in each node, like UE, node B, and MME level, okay. So most of the time on internet we have seen picture like that, right? Nest to nest communication. Agree? Guys, like this we have seen on internet, like a photo of this communication.
So in MME, in addition to NAS, you have four other protocols available in eNode B, right?
Which protocol, basically?
MME.
Uh-huh.
MME is over and above these protocols available in eNode B, right? That means in MME you have got RRC, PDCP also.
No, 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 we don't have.
Only NAS is available.
No, only NAS.
Okay.
Okay, only NAS. So here, like that, from here to here, total stack we have, right? Here we don't have NAS, and here we have NAS only. Okay. So like on internet, I think what I was telling. So like this arrow or connection from UE to MME we have seen. If agree, anyone?
Yeah, you are right.
Anyone see
Uh,
this one?
actually, yeah,
Radio.
hi. Actually, Chandan this said,
Yeah, Chandan.
can we get the basic functions of all these protocol because major pupils are not belongs from this
Yeah, I
LTE.
agree. Yeah, I agree.
Basically, yeah,
No, no, I am
my
here. First, what I'm telling, I'm just giving the what all layers we have. Okay. The functionality wise, it's a separate topic. Okay. Maybe some other time we can discuss. Just what I'm trying to explain here. What all protocols we have. Okay. That's
okay.
it only. Means that first get familiar with the protocols. All protocols
Means
we
I
have.
wanted to know just I wanted to understand. I will get the information of, because of all the function of these protocols. Just I
Mm-hmm.
wanted to know in
Yeah,
main
sure.
class. Yes.
Shh. In this, no, this is kind of out of scope today.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, this is a demo class I know, but in a
Hmm.
main class when
Yeah, definitely,
we will
definitely,
get.
definitely, definitely, definitely.
Okay,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, so just I will give you one basic example of functionality wise. Okay, what I'm trying to explain. Okay, that is one of the example of functionality wise how the communication happen. Okay,
Okay.
that's why I'm asking this. If anyone have seen this arrow anytime means on internet or any picture or any protocol representation, stack representation.
Yes.
This kind of means arrows generally we have seen, right? They like this from here to here, right? PDCP to PDCP. Okay, so that is fine. Like UE to between E node B, but do we have any direct connection from NAS to MME ever? An interface we have? Like you guys are working,
No,
I think most,
there is no direct interface,
No,
I
we
think.
don't have
right?
we don't have any interface. No direct
Directly only
communication.
E dot B to E only interface, I think.
Yes, agree. Yeah, I agree. We have direct interface from UE to E node B, but like we have seen this arrow as well. So how this communication happen? But this is the toughest, toughest in the sense logical one. This communication. Otherwise, we have direct. Suppose you want to send any RRC, so you can send from here to like here. So that's this one RRC can receive directly. But how this communication will happen? That is the question.
NAS messages are embedded in the RRC message.
NAS messages are embedded in
Embedded
the
in the RRC message.
Or
RRC message. Okay, means this one embedded in the this one.
Yes.
So do you know what type of NAS messages we have? Any name, anything?
Like authentication.
Like mobility
Okay,
management, session management.
okay. So let's take one example only. Okay, so we have NAS. NAS is guys for initial attach. Okay, initial attach, initial bearer establishment. Okay, so NAS is responsible for these two things: to attach with the network, to establish a initial bearer with network. Okay, so we have two part in NAS. First one is ESM, session management, evolve session management, and second one we have,
EMM.
yeah, exactly, EMM. Okay, mobility management. Okay, so mobility management, we have one message, particularly if you have seen attach request. Okay, so for ESM we have
authentication.
not PDN connectivity request. Okay, these two messages we send parallelly. Okay, at a time. So what, suppose UE wants to send these two messages, okay, particularly these two messages to MME. So how you will send? You will first make a packet of these two messages, okay, and what is the name of that packet? Dedicated NAS info, okay, dedicated NAS info. That particular packet, NAS info. This particular packet. Okay, so now I'm denoting this packet as n. Okay, means in our example, just let's take like this particular packet name is n. NAS packet means n. Okay, so now next thing what I will do, this NAS packet I will piggyback in the RRC. This is suppose RRC packet. In that one, I will piggyback my NAS messages like this. Suppose this total packet is RRC packet, and somewhere I will pack my NAS packets in that RRC message. Okay. Now I will send this message. So one more thing, flow is always like that, top layer to bottom. Okay, like this from L3 to L1 means based on your flow, DL or UL, but always flow is like that only from upper layer to lower layer. Okay, so now here we have after NAS, sorry, here after phi layer, here we have antenna part. Okay, here we have antenna part. Then we can send this message. This particular messaging, this part is known as OTA. OTA, over the
Oh,
air.
yeah.
Okay, over the air messages. Okay, now again same, reception entity will receive the packet, same flow, lower layer to upper layer. Okay, now when this RRC layer will receive this packet here, so RRC will try to decode this information. Okay, try to decode this packet. So one more question, like, can RRC read this information?
No,
Information particular N
no,
or any other layer. Suppose my this packet traveling from this to this. Can any other
No.
layer
no.
can
It will
decode this packet?
no. It will create it. It will consider it as a simple data and forward it.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So my this RRC will receive this packet and RRC will decode this packet. What RRC will get? This. Okay. Means RRC will get to know we have some packet. Okay. And that is NAS packet. That's it. RRC will not be able to decode this information N. Okay. What information? This information N is the our exact information. So what RRC will do with the help of we have one communication protocol. Okay. Between these two S1 AP. SY S1 AP S1 we have interface between E node B and MME. So RRC will send this information N here, and now NAS only able to decode this information. Okay, so key takeaway from this example, we have always flow from upper layer to lower layer. First thing. Second thing, corresponding layer only can decode the packet. Means suppose we are sending some RRC information, so reception side only RRC layer can decode this packet, able to read that information. Second thing, and in case of NAS, we send this information with RRC packet. Okay, piggyback with RRC packet, and that particular name is, just for your information, dedicated NAS info. That's it. So, any doubt, any concern, guys? Just naming or just how many protocols we have, and like basic example like that only. Very very basic understanding. Anything means we can explain if in another way, or if anyone wants to know.
Seems to be okay so far.
Okay. Okay. So the last thing. Okay. Who defined this protocol? Anyone?
3GPP.
Yes, exactly. Okay. And what is 3GPP?
It's an international
Rules.
body who
Hmm?
defines. It's an international consortium who defines
Mm-hmm.
all the rules and regulations for all these telecom.
4G, 5G.
Yeah,
Okay. So 3GPP is basically third generation partnership project. Okay.
partnership.
So this is kind of group of people. And what all people, guys?
There are regulators and industry experts.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So we have people from some leading organization. For an example, leading organization means Samsung, Geo, or Qualcomm, MediaTek. These are okay, means some of the leading organization. Okay, then some leading institutes. Okay, so for an example, India means I'm just taking example, IASC, IITs, NITs, and many more leading university bits, or you can take example. Okay, so the representative from these organization, these institute, these universities. Okay, means research institute. So maybe you have seen some post from IIT Hyderabad, IIT this one, which one, Kanpur. Like people are working on these technology. Okay, so some post from our like projects is going on, like IIT Hyderabad having test bed for 5G testing bed. I forget the company name. Okay, Vizek, I think, Vinsec or something something. Okay, so these people are working on the research or this thing. Third one is some government organization. Okay, so again I'm taking example of India, DOT, Department of Telecommunication. Okay, so three thing, leading companies, research companies. Second one, universities. Third one means institutes. Third one, government organizations. Okay, so some people just research a lot, discussion happen a lot. Okay, after that they define these protocols. Okay, so let me show you. This is the site. Okay, means let me start with very basic. Okay, if I don't know means if you people are aware with or have seen this site before. Okay, this is 3gpp.org. Okay, here we have everything, every document related to these protocols. Okay, one more thing like I want to add. Anyone know like in which spec, like in which release this LT introduced or the 5G introduced? Anyone?
Release 15 and 16.
Release
Release 8.
15.
In release
release
8, LT was introduced, and release 15 first 5G introduced.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so release 15 we got this 5G things. Okay, and in release 8 we got 4G. Okay, 5G, and release 8 we got 4G. Okay, and now like here
Exactly.
L2 we have these three layer like this one. So anyone know like spec number if you are people are aware with?
5G is 38 and 4G
No,
is
no, like
30.
layer wise
Layer wise, I think
this series.
TS 32
36.40
point something like
point
that.
401 and 301, I think I found.
Okay, okay,
In
okay.
5G, NAS layer have a 38.331, and for Mac LT 38, sorry, T38.221.
LT is 36 first,
Yeah,
not
LT
38.
36.
Okay,
5G have 38,
okay.
38.331, 38.321,
That is
38.
RRC.
Right.
That is RRC 331. Okay. Okay, let me show. I think some of you are aware. That is great. Okay. So this is our main page. Okay, home page. So now how we navigate this spec here, spec by series. Okay. Now here we have multiple specs from multiple area. Okay. Like what is the requirements like 3G and beyond, release 99, R99. We had once upon a time we had feature. Okay. Security algos like 35 series. This one LT 36 series. Okay. AMRAT, multi radio rate means anyone? Any idea? NSA cases basically. Okay. Then we have 5G. Okay. Radio technology beyond LT means simply 5G. Okay. So 36. Let's start with 36 series. Okay. I'm clicking this one. 36. 36 series means we will have spec number 36.xxx means anything. Okay. So like page we will see. So here we have multiple specs. Okay. Again. So as per our requirement. So suppose here for an example, transmission and reception, relay conformance testing. Okay, repeater conformance. We have one device like a non-repeater, so repeat related things and GNSS. Okay, means these thing. Okay, but we are concerned about our protocol, communication protocol. Okay, so we will directly jump to the. This is RRC spec. Okay, 36.331 fixed one. Okay, so same series 5G. We have 38.xxx 4G. We have dot xxx. Okay, so suppose we are seeing here RRC. So in LT I am showing you for now. Okay, so LT suppose RRC is 36.331. Okay, same you will have in 5G. Just one difference, 38.331. Okay, easy to remember. RRC is 331. If it's 5G, then 38.331. If it's 4G, then 36.331. Okay, the same way we have this one 321 for MAC, 3224 in like in sequence 321, 22, and 23. Okay, this is MAC, then RRC, then PDCP. Okay, just I am clicking on this one, just show you the versions, how we means just showing you the how we can download, and that's a very basic thing. Okay, so this is here you can see the versions. Okay, so for now like 17 released, but I think most of we product we have in market based on up to release 16. Okay, so so this is very important thing, like whenever you are testing or working on any project, so we have to aware with that thing, like on which version, on which like our product supports with this spec version of 3GPP. Okay, so suppose our spec supports, our like product supports release 15 only. Okay, so we have to take care the this one parameter from release 15 only. We can test parameter from release 15 only. Okay, so LT from release 8 introduced, so that's why we are seeing here from release 8 then up to release 17. So we may or may not have any major change release by release, but here then again suppose 15 we have different versions. So CR, if you want to explore, CR means change request. Okay, means they in
What is the latest release? Release 17.
17 only. Okay,
So
this
it
release
takes care of
17.
5G, or it's beyond 5G.
No, no, 5G only.
Okay.
Not beyond 5G advance is going on. Okay, so for now we are working on 5G advance. Okay, like in suppose if you compare that this is our LT and is release 18, that and LT advance was introduced. Okay, like CA, if you have heard that term, CA, carrier aggregation. So CA
Yes.
is feature of LT advance and introduced in release 10. Okay, so that is
There is another feature, no, dynamic spectrum sharing and all. It comes
yeah
also.
DSS. Yeah, many thing we have, many thing we
It
have.
is also coming in which release?
Yeah, release I don't remember. DSS I think 12. I think after that only we got this.
After CA only, no?
After CA only we got that. Right?
Oh,
Okay.
in release 16, we are having the information about the dynamic spectrum sharing related
Not
information.
exactly. That is before
Release
five.
16.
Not release 16. I think DSS before that one we also have
15,
dynamic spectrum sharing, right?
sir, 15 and 16, that one is having the information about the DSS information.
Means you are comparing with 5G as well. That's why you are
5G.
referring release 15. Okay, but I think we have before that one.
Okay. Okay, you can go ahead.
Okay, so these are the answer of this thing. This is the basic things about the protocols, who define this protocol, how many type of protocols we have. Okay, and about the 3GPP things. Okay, so Arav maybe hello.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thanks, Rahul. Now, Ram will take further. Yeah, Ram, over to you.
Okay, great. Thank you. So, guys, Rahul is explaining the whole things about the protocol and not really explain in a well manner. I hope so. Everyone is understand about that parameter and the protocol stack related things and all. Okay, so we will go for the section. Means the what section is divided in a telecom sector in a wireless technology. What parameter is divided in a different category. We will go for that things. Just I'm going to share my screen and we have a look on that parameters and points. Okay, so if my screen is visible, please let me know, guys. Here,
No, not visible. No, not visible.
now getting there. Please tell me, guys, visible.
Yeah, visible now. Yeah, visible now.
Okay, so
is the explaining the technology, like Ajay is the covering the LT techniques here, LT technology. Okay, technology. Okay, so LT technology deploy how that one is going to deploy. And already this thing is the deploy. So this one is the deploy in a two set with three major concept here. First one is first one is here for the UV side. This one is the UV side, and after that we will move for the network side is here, and then we will go for the EPC side. Means the three portion is the categorized here. Okay, the first one is the UV side, UV, and here second point is the network is here, network, and then third one is the EPC side. EPC. So many people is the working on the UV side. Some of the people is the working on the network side, and lot of the people is the working development team and the software team is the working for the EPC side. So what is the role of the wireless technology? How you will drive the parameter on there? So first of all, I want to discuss this point. Rahul is explaining the things here. Means the this person he is explained in a well things. Okay, so what is the protocol stack and what is the stacks is the working on the layer and layer wise layer. Will how will get the information about that one. Okay, so here we explain the five layer. Here layer one. This one is the categorized in a three portion. Layer one, layer two, and is the layer three. So if I'm talking about the layer specific, so here physical layer. This one is the five, and here is the two layer is there. Okay, here MAC layer, here MAC, RLC, and PDCP. After that, we are moving for the upper layer, like the RRC and NAS layer will be the communication. Means how you will be the communicate with the layer and who is the responsible for that thing. How modem will be the know about that thing. Okay, I want to communicate with the protocol. Means suppose that this one is the one user equipment is here. This one is the UV. This portion is the called the EV portion. This portion is the called the network portion. Here, this one is the network portion, and here is the EPC side portion is here. And now we will take we can say IP services related parameters. Means the IP services related parameter means the when we will go for the registration related thing, that time IP will take the role over there. Means that one is the giving the information about IPv6, IPv7, IPv4, and IPv6 related information, and that one go for the internet connectivity and IMS network related parameter. Okay, so three portion is the categorized here. So how EV will be the no means that this EV how no I am going to working on the protocols means the here one scenario is here like as a in your EV user equipment here this user equipment how to know I am going to open the modem state. How to know I'm going to open the modem, I'm going to open the camera, I'm going to open the Facebook, FB, or I'm going to open the Insta.
Excuse me, can you make your screen a little more bigger? It's very small, not able to see.
Okay, sure. Okay, now is okay?
Yeah, better.
Okay, thank you. So how will go, how our modem is got the instruction? Okay, now I'm going to open these things. Okay, so modem is the performing different of type of the scenario as per user perspective. So user want to initiate the call here like as a how modem will coming in a picture of the working role means the user is going for the calling scenario calling that one is going for the data that one is going for the means the, we can say in a short form EMM related information and that one is the move for the PSM related information means the here EMM for the signaling related parameter signaling here, and here we will move for the data related thing. Here we can go for the data. Data means that we can talk about the PDN related parameter. Here PDN related things we can talk here. Okay. So how how you will communicate with the protocol? So RRC is the responsible, RRC CSP is the responsible to the open the stack for the UV, and that one is the responsible to close the stack for the particular UV. After that UV will come in a picture, and that one is the playing the role over the stack level, on stack level. Then that one is the communicate with the node B. Here that one is the communicating with the node B. Here node B communication with the node B, and after that node B is the going to uses for the services and all. Means that that one is going for the EMM related information, and EMMA is the connected with the serving gateway is the connected with the PDN gateway is the connected with the PCRF, and after that HSS will be there. So every block is the playing the vital role for the calling procedure or data procedure, and whatever the scenario you are going to do, that one is the divided categorized in a two portion user plane and control plane. Okay, and then that one is going to utilize the services and all. Means the IMS services and VoIP services, internet services, or the whatever the IP location related parameter, that one we can go and we can utilize the services. But I'm coming on the specific point UV. Here I'm coming on this specific point. How UV will be designed, and what is the designing role for the UV, and how network will be implemented, how EPC portion will the work. Means the basically we will go for the UV and network communication. How UV communicate with the network, and how UV communicate with the protocol stack, how UV communicate the EPC related things, and how UV communicate with the internet IP services, internet protocol related services. So we will put the one we will see here. This one is the one UV. Suppose that guys, here I have a user equipment is here. Okay. So I'm talking about the deployment things. Okay. One by one we will move. So I want to deploy this particular UV. Okay. In a different region. Suppose that MediaTek here. MediaTek owner want to launch this device in a globally. He want to launch the device in a global way. Okay, global way. So what happened here? He will look for the RF related parameter. He is looking for the RF related parameter in a global manner. Means he want to launch the device in a different category, different region. So what happened here? He is going for the here. So suppose that he is the launching the device in India. So what thing is needed here? Suppose that he is going for the India here. Suppose that here UK and here USA. So I'm taking one example, guys here. So he is going to launch the globally launch the device here. Okay. So what is the requirement? Suppose that I am one of my friend is the working in USA. I request to him, hey, please bring a one iPhone for me. So he is asking, this one is the US version or this one is the global version? What is the version? That one is the asking the things. Before that one, you are asking for the different chips, different chipset, like as you are going for the OnePlus, LG phone. And so what happened? Here US RF parameter will be the different. Here USA is the having the different parameter. RF parameter. UK is having the different parameter, and India is having the different parameter. So before the purchasing of the mobile, here you are suppose that you are going to purchase the mobile. So you will see the specs of the mobile. What is the specs of the mobile? Means that I am talking about the specification of the mobile. Specification means that one is supporting parameter. What parameter is that one is going to support? Means that one is supporting LT supported, and WCDMA. WCDMA is supported, and we can say this one device is the supporting the 5G, NR, and that one is supporting the SA, and that one is supporting the NSA. So these all facilities are supported by this device. Okay, this device. And another point is the what is the frequency supported? Frequency. And what is the band is supported? Means the band supported. So on the specification on the basis of the RF parameter, he will launch the device in a global way. Suppose that here
GSM is
in
not supported, sir.
GSM also, just I forgot to write here. GSM, you can take the example of the GSM also. GSM also.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Okay.
So this one is the global things. Means the technology is the already roll out. Means that we are checking here that this technology is supported by the global way. But if you are talking about the region specific, suppose that I am taking example for the USA. Okay, here. So what happened? Here in USA, that one is supporting the CDMA technology. Okay, CDMA is the supported, and
OFDMA.
HRPD is the supported in USA, and EHRPD. EHRPD is the supported in the USA. So what happens? Same technology, guys, like as a 2G and 3G. So no need to worry about that things. This one is the region specific RF. Region is specific technology. Okay. So what happened here? If he want to move for the global, like the India, UK, US, Hungary, Portugal, China. So what happened? Need to case study of the RF parameter. Means the what RF is the supported RF RF parameter. He is the looking for the RF parameter. Means suppose that in India supporting the band 40 and band 3. So in USA is the supporting the band 78 and band 5. So this one is the supporting parameter is the region is specific. Here is the band 40 and 3, and here is the band 78 and band 5. So what happened? Whatever you are going to launch the device in India, here, this device is going to launch in India. Okay. Sorry, just a moment, guys. Here, launch it on this band. Okay. And that one is going to launch the device on this band also. On this band. So what happened? This device is the supporting in only USA because this chipset is the only supporting the 78 and 70, 78 and 5. So that one is not going to support the band 40 and band 3. So what happened? You can give the permission for your modem. Your modem is the needed a permission. Need permission for the band 78 and band 5. So then we can easily launch in India. Understand, guys, this point? Till here, any confusion, guys? Yeah, any doubt or any additional point? This one is the mode of the device. But how we will prepare this device? Modern manufacturing phase. Manufacturing phase. So if modem is in the manufacturing phase, so what we will do here? We will suppose that I'm taking the example of the Snapdragon. Snapdragon. The Snapdragon is the working on a different HDM, MSM related information. We will go for that thing. So how that one is going for the design and all. So if your modem is going for the designing, so we suppose that I am taking the one example of the Snapdragon 660 here. I'm taking the one example of the Snapdragon 660 mobile platform overview. So what we will do on this platform? On this platform, what we are going to do? Suppose that here our one UV. This one is the user equipment. I'm going to deploy that things. Okay. So what happened here? That will, I'm going for first things. I'm looking for the RF related information. What RF is the supported inside here, and I'll go for the PMIC related information, integrated PMIC codec related information. I will check there, and then I'll go for the codec. Means the what is the voice quality, means the what voice is going to support over there. EBS codec, AMR codec, NV codec, narrowband codec. What codec is going to support it over that model, and then we will move for the speaker amplifier related parameters, and then Wi-Fi related thing. Just I'm putting here the example, guys. Here we can check the basic things. So for the model, I'll go for the touch. Is what touch I am going to use, and this one is the near field communication is working or not in a proper way, and high current charging is the available or not. So I'll segregate the whole things, means that I'm going to integrate the whole point over there, and then I have a look on this point, means the Snapdragon is the ready, means the SDM is the getting ready here. This one is the our SDM 660, and then Snapdragon will be the ready now. Now after that, what happened? Device will come in a phase of the testing phase. Here device is the come in a testing phase here, and we can attenuate the all things. We can put in a lab condition as well as in a after lab. We can go for the field testing, and we can go for the different of the testing phase. Devices looking like that. So how device, when device in cam in a lab scenario, here devices go for the live lab testing, lab testing, and device is going for the field testing. So we are looking for the different of the parameter. So what is the phases? Phase. So phase is going to start like that. Here, our phases is getting start. Means the our device is look like that. Here, this one is a device overview. This one is a device testing overview, and this one is the measure overview. So how we will go for the testing? So see guys, see, this one is the camera specification. I'm not going to explain the whole things over here. And this one is the volume up and down button. And this one is the SIM card, upper and lower SIM card. And this one is the debug port. And here we are putting the antenna related things. Port 1, here port 2, here we are going to put the pictal and all, and after that we will go for the testing phase, and device is the connected with your simulator, and yeah, device as per the requirement, device is going to connect it over there, and we will start the testing. Okay, so after we start the testing, device is going for the commercialized things, means the we will do commercialize the device. So when device is getting for the commercialized device, so what happens that time we will check the features here. Suppose that we are checking the feature, what feature is the supported by the device is the supporting the 5G or not, device is supporting the 3G or not, means what technology is the supported by the device, we will check out here. So first of all, see here guys, key feature is the supported by device. Key feature is the supported in the MTP device. So okay, here device is supporting the Snapdragon X12 LT multi-mode model. So means that one is supporting the release categories 13 and category 12. Features means the device is supporting the here downlink speed. We are taking in the 600 Mbps over the 256 QAM. Here, if we move for the downlinks here, means the device is supporting the carrier aggregation 256 and 64 QAM is the supported. If you are talking about the downlink and uplink, so in downlink 256 QAM will come in a picture. If you are talking about the uplink, then 64 QAM will come in a picture. Means the major portion, means the carrier aggregation major portion, means the technology, whatever the technology is going to support it in this modem. So this modem is the supporting these things, means the LT advanced means the carrier aggregation supported, HSPA means the 3G is supported, UMTS and CDMA and TDSG SCDMA and GSM is the supported over there. Okay, and here transmission mode 9 CSI, RS, and DMRS up to two transmission. That one is the going to support it. EMBMS services is supported means the like as a you can say just a moment, guys, please. Okay. So that one is the supporting the EMBMS related services means the live we can stream the you means the news and all parameter like as you can use the device as a television and all whatever the news you want to see then you can see and you can go for the live cricket match and all you can see and then device is a major parameter is the supporting for the IP related things means the IMS is the supported in IMS supported the VoLTE SDR video telephony is the supported audio is the supported audio call is the supported and here video call is the supported so in audio what is the audio quality EVS codec is the supported here SD audio is supported SVA and next generation fluence is the pro level is the supported over there and if we are talking about the video codec related thing then this type of the functionality over there and device is the supporting so device is going for the commercialized. Now, after testing phase, device is moving for the commercialized thing. When device is going for the commercialized, that time what happened? Point number one is the device is going for the commercialized. So point is the generated is here. So what point is going? Just a moment, guys. Increase the bit size. Here, if device is going for the commercialized, then you will care about the EMM related thing, means the signaling related thing. Second point, we will move for the ESM related thing, means the data related parameter we will talk, and now we will calling facility will control. Basic parameter calling features we can check in the calling features means we are talking about the mo call empty call and the page missing means the call drop and call failure related things we can check out or the supplementary services like the conference call and the call waiting call varying the whole information we can check in it this feature is the supported or not means the already feature set I'm talking about the feature set is the supporting or not like as a, we are moving one cell to the another cell that one is supported or not yeah, we are moving one rack to the another rack like as a, I'm talking about the HO parameters here calling parameter and here I'm talking about the handover means here handover is the supported or not so here like as a handover is going to start like as a PS handover here, PS handover HO and CSHO, and we can go for the IRAT, interrat related things, and others technology like as I will move for the cell selection and cell reselection related parameter is the supporting or not. So we are talking about the technology things means our technology is the supported or not. So supporting technology I'm talking here supported technology.
Hey, this handover, PS handover, CS handover, IRAD, these are all common things which will be supported by all the equipments. No, it's not device specific, right?
Not a device is specific, but if suppose that your design one modem is the manufacturer, okay, and that one is the not going to support the IRAT handover, then what you can do if you are not tested the IRAT handover means the your device when legacy network device is the manufacturer, but that one is not looking for the legacy network, then what will be the happen?
Handover is a basic feature, no? Handover is a basic feature, no? It should be supported by all the.
Should be supported.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are right. This one is the basic feature. Calling is the also basic feature. Correct, na? If you are going for the calling is the also basic features. Means the every if you are going to manufacture the device calling
In
facility.
calling, okay, you have different say AMR codec. You can test different voice quality, right? Like
Mm-hmm.
HR AMR, HR AMR full rate,
Mm-hmm.
enhanced full rate. So many features are there.
Okay.
But in handover is a basic feature. No, I'm just
Yeah, basic feature, but I'm telling about the features means the RF is the basic feature also. But this type of the facility is going to supported over there, and we can test out before the commercialize. This is the my meaning. Okay.
Okay, okay. Okay, please
And
move
then
on. Yeah.
this one is the very basic. I'm not telling
Yeah.
about the basic broad things here. This one is the very basic things. Okay, na? Ki this one is the going to support or not. If suppose that this one is a very basic features. Okay, but I'm not testing these features. Okay, correct that. Suppose that I'm taking one example here for you.
Maybe you can tell like interfrequency handover, interband handover, all those inter-technology handover, all those stuff, right?
Hmm. Okay, and after that, what happen here? If any type of the suppose that is the telling like that you are this one is the handover is the basic parameter means the device is the supporting the suppose that I am telling the example I am taking here. This device is supporting the voltage device is the supporting voltage, but here I'm talking about the legacy related parameters like the 3G and 2G techniques. So see, suppose that we are initiating the call over the VoLTE network and VoLTE is going to degrade. That time device is the looking for the legacy RAT here. Here, if LT network, VoLTE network is going to degrade here, device is looking for the legacy network. But what happened? This one is the basic parameter. I am not going to test this one. So that time what happened? When we are going to initiate the call, when legacy network is going to be weak, it means that that one is going to degrade, and your device is not supporting the SRVCC. So need to test the every parameter. No need to ignore the this one is the basic call scenario. I'm going to ignore. I'm going to skip this thing. So this one is the modem, and modem will be the impact over the scenario. Okay, understand my point? What I'm
Yeah,
saying?
yeah, that and all. See, SRVCC, CSFB, these are all features available, right?
Hmm.
So all those needs to be tested. My point was basic handover. I am not sure whether we'll be testing the basic handover. Uh,
We are
whatever.
tested, boss. We are tested.
Yeah,
Okay. Basic scenario we are already tested.
tested.
Disconnect
Okay.
data lecture.
Okay, please go on. Yeah.
Whatever the feature is there as per the 3GPP spec, as per the GCF, we are going to follow that things. Okay. No need to skip the anything. Okay.
Sure, sure.
So what happened, guys? Here, suppose that this one is the UV. UV is here. User equipment is here, and now here is the suppose that network is here. Here is the network. So whatever the message is going to flow, means the devices want to camp over the network. Okay. Suppose that we are getting the downlink message here. And then we will go for the uplink message, means the we want to initial access to the network. So whatever the flow is going on over there, here, whatever is the flow means that I'm talking about the OTA message over the air message. OTM access. So we will capture the log with the help of the different tool will be the available like as ELT tool for the MediaTek. We'll go for the MPK. MediaTek will go for the ELT tool. We can capture the log and like as a Qualcomm. Then you can do one thing. So you can go for the QXDM and we can capture the log and we'll try to analyze the thing. So for log analysis things, we'll move for the cat and we can move for the apex and already we can move for the Lysol and another technology we can Wireshark. We can with the help of the this tool we can capture the log and we can analyze the things over here and we'll try to debug that point. And if we'll go for the data rate and all, we can check out the information over there. What is the rate we are going to expecting the things over there. So I'm going for the technological overview for the technology. Suppose that I'm taking the example of the 1G things here. Means here, first generation 1G. Here 1G. So if you are talking about the 1G, there is no much data rate. We are not expecting the more data rate here. This one is the for the short communication, not for the long distance. No long distance is the covered inside of the 1G technology, and this one is the working on the analog based techniques. Okay, no digital things over there. So data, we are not expecting the data here, but when we will move for the short distance, we are covered here. Short distance, we are not moving for the here, no long distance. No long distance. Okay.
Any example for this, sir?
Cellular technology or wired technology we are using that time. Telephone lines, you can see the example for that thing for the 1G. That one is the wired technology, based on the wired technology. Okay.
Even AMPS was a one.
For example, if you are talking about the example, that one is the wired technology. You can take the example of the PCO and all. That one is the wired technology we are using that time. STD booth related information I can deliver here. That one for the short distance, where we can put the wire. That wire is there, and if wire is the cut, then you can get the distortion and your phone is not working. But in a wireless communication, like as we are moving for the 2G technology, so totally we are talking about the wireless technology. Okay, here we are moving for the wireless related parameter. Okay, and here we are expecting the data rate and all. Okay, so what here analog and digital, but here only analog system is here. Here we are talking about the analog and digital communication. Okay, here digital communication. So what is the our expectation, what we are going to expect over there in a 2G technology? In 2G technology we are expecting the data rate and all. So how much data rate we are gaining here? Suppose that for the GPS, GPRS, GPRS is
270.
GPRS and ACE is the common feature here. As is here. Okay, so you are talking about the data specific things here. Data is specific. So how much data we are expecting in the 2G technology? So in GPRS we are expecting that 56.64 kbps. Yes, 56.64 kbps speed we are expecting here. But if we will move for the edge technique, so that time in edge,
270.
correct. Not 270. We are expecting the 170 kbps speed here in edge things. Okay, 2.7 means that this technology 2G, 2.5G, and 2.7G is here.
Oh,
2.5G, 2.5G, 5G, and 2.7G. So lastly, in age format, here we are talking about age here, and in age format we are expecting the much data rate over the this technique 2.7G. So 2.7G expected data rate is the here 1 170 kbps, 170 kbps. Yes, speed we are expecting. But when we will move for the another technology like as 3G, here you are moving for the 3G. Here I am moving for the 3G. So what happened in 3G? In 3G, suppose that UV specifications, like as on UI we are checking these things on the 2G here. Two things is showing here. First one is the on UI screen. That one is the showing GPRS, or the G is the showing on the UI screen, or the E is showing over there. E is showing there. Okay, but when we move for the 3G technology, that time what happened? In 3G technology also we are having the two specs, two things here. First one is the first one is the
UMT, UMTs,
different meaning guys here for the 3G in a different
HSTP.
configuration, like as a 3G. You can say 3G. You can also say the another name of the UMTS. UMTS, and also you can cover the WCDMA,
HS,
WCDMA, and also you can go for the HRPD, and you can go for the EHRPD. PHRPD. So this one is the different name, and like when we will move for the advanced related things, so H plus.
HS, HSPDA.
Is the community picture and HSPA plus you can say. We are getting the more data rate. So here we are expecting the data rate. Data rate is here. Like how much data rate we are expecting here? 384 kbps. kbps data rate we are expecting here. Okay, but in case of the HSPA, we are expecting the 2 Mbps data rate. Mbps data rate we are expecting here. And now from here you are getting the data rate evolution in the wireless technology. Okay, so after that you will move for the fourth phase, means the 4G technology. Okay, so 4G technology is the long term evolution, guys. Here, that's why that's why here 4G. Suppose that here is the 4G. So I'm taking the example of the 4G techniques. How, why is name of the long term evolution? What we are expecting by this technology? Okay, so here suppose that this one is the 4G, and 4G really the long time. See, this one is they started in 2009 or 10, and till time we are working on the 4G. Means the really this one is the having the long time. Means the we can say 4G technology is the LT long term evolution. So how this evolution is going to start here, and what is the expectation? Our data rate expectation, the expected data rate is here. So 4G technology is also categorized in two portions. First one is the LT, and second one is the LT advanced. Here is the LT 4G, and here we are talking about the 4G advanced. 4G advanced means that we can say CA, or the we can say 4G plus. Okay, so here you are expecting the high data rate. Here we are expecting the high data rate. Here more throughput with the help of the MIMO, multiple input and multiple output. So in the peak data rate, you have to, if I'm talking about the peak data rate, so peak data rate in a UL and DL. So in a uplink, we are talking about the 500 Mbps speed you are getting in a Mbps speed you are getting. And for if I'm talking about the DL is always having the great speed here 1 Gbps. 1 Gbps. But in a practical way, I'm talking about the internet related things. So we are expecting only 100 Mbps speed here from the 4G technology. Here 100 Mbps speed we are getting here. 100 Mbps speed we are getting here over the 20 megahertz bandwidth. Over the 20 megahertz bandwidth here we are getting the 100 Mbps 20. Okay, and this technology is the having the great speed with compared to the legacy technology. But now we are moving for the another technology is here 5G. So 5G is the name of the NR, new radio. Okay, so just a moment, guys. I'm going to explain here also. This technology is why long terms here. This one is the 4G, because 4G technology didn't have the voice call concept here. No voice call scenario is not there. That's why that time CSFB technology is going to be. With the help of the CSFB technology, we will go for the three, means our rat is going to fall back over the legacy network, and we can initiate the call over the legacy network like I just told you, 3G. Okay, and now if we are overcome by the CSFB techniques and we are make the voice call related parameter, that time here if you will take the help of the CSFB technique, that time that one to fall back over the 2G or 3G techniques here 3G or 2G technique. But if I'm talking about the voice over LT, VoLT, that time what happened? We are going to utilize the LT services for the calling facility. And here we can initiate the call over the VoLTE technology and we can disconnect the call. But one scenario is that generated here. If this VoLTE network is the going to degrade, that time what we can do? So if VoLTE network is going to degrade, that time we can take the help of the SRVCC technique. With the help of the SRVCC technique, our device is the looking for the lower at 2G or 3G, and device is the fallback over the 2G or 3G network, and voice should be continued for this technology. So this one is the only overview, guys, how our technology is the work and what speed we are going to take, what feature setup we going to included in that side. Now we'll move for the 5G. Here, suppose that I'm taking the example of the 5G. 5G. So 5G is also divided into two portions. First one is the NSA. Here, non-standalone, and second portion is the standalone. Here, NSA, NSA, and here we are talking about the settings. So here, this one is the non-standalone things. Here non-standalone, and here is the standalone. So here we are getting also good speed in a 5G, unexpected unbelievable speed in a 5G. We are getting the 1 Gbps internal speed, internet speed, but home internet speed is the 100 to 300 Mbps we are getting here. So that's all about the technology, guys. Here, and why you are going to join this organization and all. I'm going to explain the things here, guys. We are going for the different parameter and different failure case study, guys. If you are moving for the techniques like as a LT technique, suppose that you are moving for the LT. So we will explain the each and every point of the LT things like as that one is the going for the starting, how device is going to wake up and what is the numerology is going to use, and we will go for the basic logs and all. Means the how devices wake up, and from day one we will go for the log analysis and all. Because if you move for the any organization, yeah, if you want to change over there, so technology and numerology is the going to ask by the every interviewer. Okay, like as a Deepak, that time he is the taking the name of the DSS things, means the dynamic spectrum sharing, how that one is going to work, how you know your UE is the supporting the dynamic spectrum sharing or not, how will confirm your network is the supporting the spectrum sharing concept or not, what is the core set, what is the SCG failure, why device is not camp over the network, why you are getting the failure, what is the region, like as you know about the everything, guys, but you don't know about the things how why it is going for failure case study. Why, if you are talking about the RAS failure, why that is going to fail? Means the, if you move for the technology, means the suppose that you are putting the SIM card inside of the device and inserted the SIM card, but device is not looking for the process, device is not going to follow the stack protocol stack. So why device is going to fails to camp over the network, and what is the reason behind that? So we are going for the debugging also with the technology. Parallelly we are going for the failure case study. Why failure is the happening, like it's a failure case, means the attached failure. Like I say, if you are go for the calling failure, suppose that you are initiating the call over the LT network and your device is getting fallback to the legacy network, but CSFD is not supporting by the legacy things, and you are getting the failure cause over the CSFD. Means the I'm talking about the SAB failure. Like as I am talking about the handover failure. Device is not, means the device is the source camp over the source RAT. But that one is the looking for the target RAT or the target cell. That one, the target cell acquisition is the getting failure. How timer will be expire and all things we are checking over there in the log file, and we'll try to debug that things. So this is the our training, guys, and we are providing the, we have the different of the tool, and we are analyzing the, with the help of the tool we are going and analyze the every layer 1, layer 2, and layer 3. We are talking about that one, and you are also have a good exposure over that things, and we are analyzing the things. And hey Aro, you can go for that things, and you can show the tools where we are going for the analysis and all, so you can. Yeah, are you available?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you can show the tools to the candidates and all, and
Yes.
how they explore the things over there. Because I discuss here the failure case study as well as the procedure, how we're going to follow the procedure and all guys here, and how is the working things so inside of the layer, how modem will be the work, how network will be the work, how UV will be the work, when what is the role over there. We'll go for that thing from the day one, and we'll start the login.
Stop your screen.
Yeah, okay, we will start.
My screen is visible.
Yes, visible.
Yeah. So this tool is for Unisoc, and the tool name says Logel, where we'll capture 4G as well as IMS logs. Okay. Now, Deepak, share your screen. Now I'm stopping my screen. Then you can see another tool.
So one second, Aro. I'm sharing my screen and I'll show you the another tool like as a ELT. That one is the for the MediaTek. Here, this one is the MediaTek tool, and here we can load the log and we can go for the log analysis related things here. We can check out from here. This one is the flow. Log is going to load it over there, and if you want to check the messages and flow, then we can go for the flow and all. Just a moment, guys. Log is loaded here. After loading the log, we can go for the view. Just a moment. Here view, and we can check the messages and all. Here attach request, and here RRC connection request setup complete, and here device is the accept, and to a default if bearer and attach is the completed. Means one by one we'll go for that things. If you go for the another technology like as a IMS related thing, then you can check the SIP messages and all, and what is the registration procedure and all. And if the failure case is the happening, I will try to debug on that tool. With the help of this tool, we will debug there, and we will go for the procedure. How device is the camp over there. I will show here one by one, step by step. I will show the information here. See, these are all the information I'll show here, and I'll take the different of the case study for every parameter. Suppose that I'll teach you today the CSFP call procedure, then I'll go for the failure case study. Suppose that I'll teach you the attach procedure, so I'll go for the failure case study. How devices they decode the PSS and SSS, how PSS is SSS decoding failure will happen there. So how initialization failure is there, how to initialize that one, means the how RRCCSP will be the company picture and how you go for that thing. So we are going for that thing, basic from the basic things. So hey, Rahul, we can go for the another tool and you can show the another tool you
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
see and all.
Rahul, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, you can show QXGM some issue in another laptop, not able to show.
Give me a few minutes. Let me open. Okay, give me one. Maybe in while, if anyone having any doubt, any concern, they can go ahead and ask.
Yeah, guys, if you have any concern related to the today training program, if you have any doubt related to the anything, means the whatever they explained by the Rahul and me, then you can go ahead and you can clear your doubt, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, shared now. Ram, you gonna elaborate about the QT?
Okay. See guys, this one is the QXDM tool, and if we'll go for the QXDM tool, and we can capture the log with the help of this tool, like as a, whatever the messages flow in between of the UV and network, and from the simulator to the UV, we can capture this log and we can try to analyze the things and we'll check the flow. Means that our device is the working in a proper way or not. We can check the dynamic and static position of the our UV, and we can diagnose the problem. What is the problem over there? Suppose that your device is fails to camp over the network, so we will go for that things and we can try to debug the problem. Means the specs wise as well as the we can go for the another system, like suppose that here we are taking the example of the log packets and the log packet OTA. So here log packet is OTA is the giving the information about the RRC and NAS related information. You can click NAS related information. You can click LT. Yeah, in LT technology, then we can gather the information about the RRC and NAS related information. If you want layer wise specific information, then you can go for the log packet. Inside of the log packet, we will gather the information related to the, see here guys, this one is the flow of the our tools and all. Yeah, means the UV to network and network to UV, whatever the flow will be there, we can capture the log with the help of the QXDM tool, and we can replay the log and we can try to debug the things what happen over there. So that's all about the tools and all. Okay, Aro, you can close the presentation and all. And if you have guys any query, then you can go ahead and you can ask the, your query related to the training, how much time, how much duration. Aro is the, going to explain the duration time and all, and your compatibility and all. He will explain the all things and all. And, yeah, if you have a
Yes, yes, I have one question.
technical question and technical query, any technical query, then I myself and Rahul is available here. He will clear the your doubts and all. Okay. So guys, please try to speak up. Yeah.
Yes, I have one question that you told previously about the chipsets regarding the location mapping between the like India, USA, and other regions. So this is the modem that will help to cover this features if any phone is supported in India, like band some bands and any supported band in the USA. So with the help of modem testing, we can resolve it, or we can only test it.
Yeah,
What is the process?
we can resolve also, we can test as well as we can resolve. How we will resolve the thing? Because I suppose that I am facing the problem with the band, because our device is not camping over the India net. So that time I'll put the query, I'll raise the one ticket ki, hey, this modem, this specific modem I'm testing here, and that one is the not supporting the such and such band. So what happened then? That time development team is the looking for that thing. Say this parameter is not supporting in India. So we can go for that thing and you can release the software. After releasing the software, we can test again. See what is the issue on that point. So we will rectify the things, and finally we will go for the conclusion point, and finally we will see our device is the camping on this band. Okay, they will enable the band from the modem side. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you. I got it. And secondly, is any if this is a one process, attached process, and there's another process like detached process is also happening
Yeah,
in
yeah, yeah,
the.
yeah. See.
Mm.
Suppose that you are inserting the SIM card inside of the mobile. So see, why device is the looking for the attach procedure, correct? But you are eject the SIM card. That time, what happened? Device is the totally detached from the network, and we will see what is the reason. Lot of the reason for the detaching from the network. Some of time you are getting the RLF radio link failure. Some of time device went out of the service. So we will check the reason with the help of the log file. Hey, what is the reason behind that? Why device is getting detached from the network? So from the ground level, we are checking the information and we will try to extract out the information on that side. Okay.
Okay, so a little bit, can you tell me how the detached? What is the process we can follow in the LT in the LT protocol testing?
In a simple language, I'm
Mm.
talking about the detached procedure. Device is the camp over the network. Okay.
Okay.
But I want to detach from the network. Okay, the first of all, detach scenario, I will take the aeroplane mode and put the aeroplane mode, and normally the device is detached from the network. Yeah, suppose that for the any concern is the happened over there. You are in a SLS condition, and your device is not supporting for the RF is not supporting for the further communication. Means that one is not going to camp on the network. So that time what happened? Device will be the out of syncs from the network, and that only is the network is sending the detached information because attach. If you are talking about the attach, that this message is from UV to network, this one is the outgoing message. If you are talking about the detached, network is sending some indication over there, and for the detached indication why device is going to detach from the network, what is the reason behind that, you can check out that information.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Clear?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, perfect.
Sir, could you explain me the training schedule and how much
RO is the
hour training will be?
RO is the responsible person. He will explain the training schedule, fee structure, and all. He'll explain you. Okay.
And
So,
how many topic cover in a
Everything,
training?
whatever that you have the doubt related to the training program, then RO will be the responsible person. He will explain the each and everything. If we will go for the technical consent, we both guys the available. Me and Rahul will be available. We will go for the technical related query.
Aru sir is present here or not?
Who's the
Yeah,
who's
yeah,
the
I am there. I'm there, and
Sir,
will
could you explain me?
yeah, we'll
Could you
cover
explain me?
complete 4G and 5G protocol testing, whatever required in market in current scenario. Okay, we'll provide with practical approach from day one.
So
Okay, what?
you mean to
Yeah.
say
And
that you
schedule?
told right? So three types. One is UE, another one network, another one EPC. Okay, packet core.
No,
So
no, 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 no.
okay,
Will provide UE as well as RAN side, not core side.
so core side. Okay, only you talked about UE and EPC
UE
and
and RAN
network RAN.
access.
Okay.
E node B, J node B.
So this schedule will be both or only UE separate and
No, no,
RAN
not
access.
not a separate things. Means the whatever the communication between UE and network and EPC side, we will show
Okay.
you. Okay, na?
Okay.
In a tools information, with the help of the tool information, we will show the direction. What is the direction UE direction? What is the network direction? How EPC will be the involved? How much involvement of the EPC we will check inside. Okay, but if you say about the EPC training related information, then we are not that correct. This is the not the correct.
Okay, can we get the complete syllabus which are we are going to cover in
Hey, hey,
4G and 5G call testing?
RO will provide the
Uh, Ra-
complete syllabus for you. And when this technical discussion is going to over,
Ra-
RO, you can
Rahul,
contact with the Rahul.
Rahul,
RO,
Rahul, you can open.
yeah,
I think
Okay.
immediately
you
you can
have
open
syllabus.
Rahul and you can see so the
Okay. Okay. Let me.
information and all. Okay. Guys, wait for a moment. Rahul is going to explain
Sir,
about the.
sir, could you tell me the training hour? How much
Training
long?
hour will be weekend 4 hours, Saturday 2 hour, and Sunday 2 hour. And the training schedule will be next 4 month.
Sir,
Okay.
it is a placement guarantee or not?
Placement guarantee, yes, we'll provide placement guarantee, but you have to put your own effort on written paper.
Yeah, definitely, sir. If we will pay the training
No,
amount,
no.
then definitely we will.
If you
Definitely we will.
Here, total here 9 module is there. Rakesh, here 9 module is there. Need to complete the on every topic is the finished. Like as LT is finished, need to complete the 3 module. Okay. In 5G is completed, then need to complete the 3 module. If you are completing the 3 module, 3 interview, then definitely you will get the selection. Okay. If you are not completing the one module and you are taking like okay, I am going for the placement and all, I am not selected, this one is not a good thing. Okay, so first of all you are believe on the learning thing, and after that you can go for the placement and all. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Sir, do we have like
They will be having a hands-on on those logs analysis as well, like.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes, yes. We'll provide hands on.
From day one, we will providing the hands-on experience over the log analysis, how to open the packet, how to analyze the information in the QHPM or the ELT related information. We can show you. Okay.
100% tool
From day
program.
one, from day one, we will start these things. Okay.
So software will provide by you or remotely access software.
Remotely you can access. Will not provide. This is licensed. 1 crore 1 year. और राकेश, अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि आप ज्वाइन करोगे, मेरे को पैसा दोगे तो प्लेसमेंट होगा, तो घंटा प्लेसमेंट नहीं होगा। पढ़ोगे तो ही प्लेसमेंट होने वाला है। ठीक है, यहाँ 365 है पैसे देने वाले। ठीक है, तो अगर पढ़ना
नहीं
होगा,
सर,
यू हैव टू पुट योर ऑन एफर्ट, देन यू कैन ज्वाइन माई बैच, अदरवाइज नो नीड टू ज्वाइन। ठीक है,
Sir, what is charges?
वी आर चार्जिंग 38,000 इंक्लूडिंग जीएसटी।
Validity, sir.
हाँ,
Validity.
वारंटी
No, no, validity. Duration.
I'm
duration
sharing
will
my
be 4 months.
just let
Duration
me.
will be complete 4 months. Weekends classes, if any national holiday is there, will plan session as well. Okay, and all training based on tool will start from day one. Also, will provide hands-on tool experience. Team will share a screen, give access to you. You can upload the log. You can analyze by yourself. We don't believe on theory. Our selection rate is high.
So actually, for outside India, all gonna basically can approach.
No issue. Most of the candidate we have in last wave US, UK, Japan, South Africa, and Bangladesh. So whatever things we have, will provide online.
Okay.
Remotely, you can team will give access to you for tool. Okay. I need a candidate who put or on effort for selection.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Rahul, go ahead.
Okay. So see guys, so platform wise we can provide you the knowledge, we can provide you the interview question, what type of interview question that interview can ask. So as an interviewer, we also in our respective companies, we are also part of panels. Okay, and earlier from earlier batches, we learned a lot from their experiences as well, and what type of questions people faced. Okay, so we can provide you the drafted questions. Okay, but end of the day, you have to face the interview. Okay, you are the one who will face the interview, right? So from practical point of view, from theory point of view, we will deliver everything to you, and rest up to you only. Okay.
Yes.
सर ये टाइमिंग क्या है इसका, कितने बजे से स्टार्ट होगा कोचिंग, मैंने आपका ये
Timing will be in morning.
सर
Morning 8 to 10.
8 to 10, मैम
Uh,
सर संडे और सैटरडे ना?
Saturday and
Yeah, so
Sunday, or
as I mentioned, we are working professional guys. Okay, so we are also working in our area. Okay, so it's kind of hard to take classes in weekdays. Okay, so we also prefer week end batches as morning batches for now, 8 to 10, right, Ara?
ओके
सर ट्रेनिंग कब से स्टार्ट होगी सर? डेट क्या है?
18. Next Saturday will start the batch.
बिफोर दैट वी हैव टू रजिस्टर्ड.
Yes, correct.
Yes, 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 yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Chandan. Yes, Chandan.
So
Sorry.
amount will be installed or prepayment.
Yes, amount will be on 3 installment.
Okay.
I will most of the team having you can ping me in this number 7709935614. Our team will share the detail over.
Sorry, hold on. Can you just repeat it?
I sent one number in chat box 7709935614. Okay. Yeah, Rahul, you show the number.
Okay, I'm just trying to. Okay, in chat, right?
Yes.
Okay, this number, guys.
Double
You
seven
can take
zero
a
double nine
screenshot or anything.
three
Okay.
five six.
And how many students will be in single batch? Is there any limitation? Is there?
25 to 26 only.
No, it's maximum. That is maximum criteria 25. Because we
Okay.
also need to arrange the tools and tool session and interview. So after that, we also face issue. So based on the,
Okay. And if we will get any recorded session
yeah, if you miss any
of
class,
a class,
definitely you will get.
if we,
Yeah,
yes.
and it's like some important session, or if you miss any class, so definitely you will get the recorded session. And that is only for view, not for download. Okay,
Okay. And if we have any doubt after class, when we can
definitely.
ask.
Days, weekdays, we have doubt sessions.
Monday to
Okay,
Friday, 9 to 10.
okay. So,
Okay. 9 to 10.
but for that you have to
Morning
inform
or
us.
evening?
Evening, evening.
But
Okay.
guys,
We
that
can
is not
connect
like
on.
hard and fast, like a specific time. If like you guys are
Monday to
for
Friday, 9 to 10 evening.
9 to 10 in evening,
doubt
even
session, doubt session, guys, doubt
doubt
session,
session.
not the class timing. Okay.
Okay, okay.
If
Suppose you have
suppose,
any doubt. Hmm.
yeah, Rahul, you can.
Okay, so suppose you have any doubt in any ongoing topic or any previous topic, so it's better to discuss in separate class. That's why we have doubt sessions in weekdays. So for that, we have one protocol. You have to inform us, like you have doubt in this topic. Okay, so accordingly we can align particular like instructor for you. Okay.
Okay. Can we refer English, Hindi language also if we have
Yeah,
any doubt?
definitely. Yeah,
Because
Hindi or
because
English. Yeah, sub.
yeah, because I prefer Hindi for technical terms, so I
डेफिनेटली
can
डेफिनेटली
connect.
इट्स नॉट
Yep.
द बिग इशू, इट्स नॉट
Okay.
द बिग इशू, है ना? सब यहीं के हैं यार, इंडियन है
Okay. Okay.
सब। सो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है किसी को नहीं आती हो। सो मिक्स एंड मैच है,
Because I
आपका कुछ
prefer
इशू नहीं
Hindi for technical terms, so
है।
I
ओके
asked.
ओके ओके, है ना? ऐसा कुछ
Okay.
नहीं है।
सर
मैं
एक
ऐसा
आपको ग्रुप बन सर जनरल कम्युनिकेशन के लिए कोई ग्रुप रहेगा या कुछ अलग से
नहीं, अभी
पोजीशन?
जनरल कम्युनिकेशन के लिए आप जिन ग्रुप्स में एडेड हैं वो है, वो मतलब कॉमन है सबके लिए, जैसे कुछ ऐसा डेमो वगैरह होता है। बाकी फिर बैच वाइज हमारे पास में सेपरेट ग्रुप है, जिसमें हम डॉक्यूमेंट वगैरह हुआ, जो भी हुआ, है ना, तो वो हम शेयर करेंगे
वो
आपके साथ
वो
में।
वो व्हाट्सएप पे स्लैक पर है?
नहीं, व्हाट्सएप पे है। बाकी जो हमारे रिकॉर्डिंग्स रहेंगी वो ड्राइव पे रहेंगी, है ना? वो आपको मेल आईडी देनी पड़ेगी, मेल आईडी पे शेयर रहेगा एक्सेस आपका। वो आपका कोर्स कंप्लीट होने के 1 ईयर तक आपके पास में एक्सेस रहेगा। आफ्टर दैट वी विल रिमूव अवर एक्सेस।
और कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्स
हाँ,
that I
डॉक्यूमेंट है
can do?
हमारे पास में, या डेफिनेटली डॉक्यूमेंट है हमारे पास में, है ना? और अगर कुछ
Okay.
एक्सटर्नल रेफरेंस होता है वो भी हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं, कुछ बुक्स हैं वो हम रेफर करते हैं, है ना? तो वो सब आपको मिल जाएगा।
सर
Okay.
सैटरडे
Easily
एंड
can be
संडे
downloaded.
से क्लासेस लगेगी ना सर?
हाँ, एकदम
8 to 10.
एग्जैक्ट सैटरडे 8 to 10 सैटरडे एंड संडे।
8 to 10 मीन्स मॉर्निंग ना सर?
मॉर्निंग 8 to 10, सुबह 8 बजे से सुबह 10 बजे तक क्लास रहेगी। और बताइए।
ओनली 2 days, पर वीक
सर
2 days ना सर?
8 से 10, 8 to 10,
मतलब टू डेज ना सर?
2 days, शनिवार और संडे।
ओके ओके।
सर
बताओ
हेलो।
बताओ बताओ बताओ।
एक्चुअली मैं अभी पहले बताया आई एम वर्किंग इन रैन नेटवर्क। सो
ओके
मैंने अभी मतलब सेल्फ स्टडी जो कर रहा हूँ आईएमएस के लिए कर रहा हूँ। आईएमएस
ओके।
आपने बताया कि आप यूई पार्ट को पढ़ाएंगे, मतलब यूई टेस्टिंग पढ़ाएंगे और रैन टेस्टिंग,
हम्म
अटैच डी अटैच वगैरह।
हम्म।
हाँ, तो ये कॉल फ्लोज वगैरह उसमें इंक्लूड नहीं होंगे
नहीं
जो
होंगे, सब
आईएमएस के?
होंगे। नहीं, आईएमएस के एग्जैक्टली नहीं होंगे, है ना? आईएमएस के सेपरेट कोर्स है, सेपरेट सेशन है, ठीक है?
नॉर्मल
देखिए,
जो कॉल फ्लो है आईएमएस का, रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड कॉल फ्लो विल
जैसे एसआरबीसीसी
इंक्लूडेड,
वगैरह का या
नहीं
आईएमएस
वो
को
इंक्लूडेड,
होगा
आईएमएस के?
एसआरवीसीसी
ये
वगैरह का,
इंक्लूडेड है,
ये
ये
इंक्लूडेड
इंक्लूडेड है।
है ना? देखो, जहां भी एलटी आपका पिक्चर में रहेगा, जैसे एसआरवीसीसी में है, एलटी वोल्टी प्लस ये सब चीजें वो रहेंगी आपके एक्सेस में। देखिए, एक चीज है, मैं आपको जनरल है, आप अभी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होंगे आपके माइंड में कि ये रहेगा ये नहीं रहेगा, ये इतनी बड़ी बातें नहीं है ना। 15-15 20-20 मिनट के टॉपिक है यार ये, है ना। तो 2 घंटे क्लास में ये पता भी नहीं चलता एक्स्ट्रा क्या डिस्कस हो जाता है और कम क्या हो जाता है। तो ये कंसर्न नहीं है, इतने बड़े कंसर्न नहीं है यार। मतलब एज ए ट्यूटर अगर मैं आपको कुछ बता रहा हूँ तो ये हार्डली 30 मिनट लेते हैं यार ये सब चीजें एक्सप्लेन करने में, है ना। तो इतनी बड़ी चीजें नहीं है, रेस्ट अश्योर। हो सकता है मैं अभी एक बार बताऊंगा आपको, ये सिलेबस शेयर कर देंगे ग्रुप में, तो हो सकता है सिलेबस में 10 टॉपिक लिखे हुए हैं फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल। अगर आप मेरे से 11th पूछते हो तो जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं मतलब ऐसे आपको मना कर दूंगा कि नहीं नहीं ये तो सिलेबस में है। फिर दूसरी साइड में क्या होगा कि भाई 10 लिखे हुए हैं, 9 पढ़ा दिए, एक रह गया, तो हो सकता है भाई मैंने किसी एक टॉपिक पे आपको ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट कर दिया हो कि हम किसी और लाइन में घुस गए हों। तो बहुत बार होता है यार, देखो प्रैक्टिकल सिनेरियो अलग है, हम जब पढ़ने बैठेंगे तो प्रैक्टिकल चीज अलग है। अभी जो हम डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं वो बस एक सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए कि आप जो पूछ रहे हो, बट बाकी रहेंगे आप मतलब एक प्रैक्टिकल वाइज सोच के देखो कि मैं कुछ पढ़ा रहा हूँ आपने कुछ पूछ लिया तो मैं मना थोड़ा ना कर दूंगा आपको कि नहीं बताऊंगा ये वाली चीज आपको, है ना। तो आप इस
अच्छा, ये
चीज
जो
को लेके
क्लासेस होंगे वो टेस्टिंग ओरिएंटेड होंगे या डिप्लोयमेंट ओरिएंटेड?
टेस्टिंग ओरिएंटेड रहेंगी, है ना। देखो एक चीज हो रहा है कि आप जिस फील्ड में है ना, फिर वही चीज है कि आप अपने सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए आप इतनी सब चीजें अभी डिग एंड वो करना चाह रहे हो। अभी आपका टॉपिक क्या है, आपका मोटिव क्या है, आप नॉन टेस्टिंग डोमेन से इस प्रोटोकॉल टेस्टिंग डोमेन में आ जाओ, है ना। मतलब
जी।
टेस्टिंग वाले पार्ट को भी छोड़े तो आप नॉन रिसर्च से रिसर्च में आओ। अगर मैं स्पेसिफिकली बताऊं तो प्रोटोकॉल
हाँ।
आपको भी पता है, ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा ही नोट भी कुछ और अलग से काम कर रहा है, आप जो ही नोट पे काम कर रहे हो कि मैं जब बोलता हूँ यूई तो वो कुछ अलग से कुछ बेचारा कर रहा है फील्ड में, है ना। बट रिसर्च लेवल है वो काफी डिफरेंट है, जो आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहेंगी वो काफी डिफरेंट लेवल पे रहेंगी, है ना। तो अभी जो आप नॉन रिसर्च से हो उसमें रिसर्च लेवल पे आ जाओ, है ना। फर्स्ट ये है। उसके बाद में अगर आपका पर्सनल वो है इंटरेस्ट है किसी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में, पर्टिकुलरली C++ में, तो आप अकॉर्डिंगली मूव कर सकते हो, है ना। बट अभी
जॉब
आप
फाइंडिंग के
पीएचडी
लिए
पे,
क्या सपोर्ट मिलेगा, मतलब जॉब फाइंडिंग में
जॉब
सपोर्ट कैसा
फाइंडिंग के
रहेगा?
लिए, जॉब फाइंडिंग के लिए हम एक सेकंड में शायद यार मेंशन कर रखा था। देखिए मैं सिलेबस भी आपको क्विकली एक बार ना करा देता हूँ, है ना, ठीक है। सो हमारे 3 फ्रंट रहेंगे, 5G ORAN एंड LT, ओके। देन, है ना, रिज्यूम प्रिपरेशन, नौकरी प्रोफाइल, लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल, डेडिकेटेड प्री इंटरव्यू डिस्कशन, ओके। दीज आर सम ऑफ अवर सपोर्ट, ओके, ठीक है। तो हमारा क्या सीन रहता है, अब मुझे नहीं पता आप किसी के रेफरेंस के थ्रू हो या फिर आप डायरेक्ट आए हो।
नहीं, मैं
अगर आप
रेफरेंस
किसी,
से नहीं आया हूँ।
हाँ तो अगर आप किसी को जानते हो जो जिसने हमारे यहाँ से की है पहले,
नहीं,
तो
हमारे एक दोस्त है, वो प्रेम करके हैं, प्रेम चौधरी। ही इज ऑल्सो ज्वाइंड ओवर हियर, और उन्होंने मुझे मतलब सजेस्ट
ठीक है,
किया कि
हाँ
यहाँ पे कुछ चल रहा है, तो
ठीक है,
आई
हाँ
जस्ट
सो,
ज्वाइन।
है ना, मतलब अब मैं बोलूंगा तो आप हो सकता है विश्वास करो नहीं करो, तो जो कर रहा है उनसे आप पूछ लेना कि
विश्वास पे ही
एवरी
दुनिया कायम है अभी
मतलब
तो।
3 वीक में या फिर 1 मंथ में जब भी हमारे कुछ टॉपिक्स कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं तो हम एक डेमो इंटरव्यू प्लान करते हैं, है ना। कि
जी।
आपकी नॉलेज अलग चीज है, आप इंटरव्यू में कितना प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो वो एक अलग चीज है ना। तो वो असेसमेंट आपका चलता रहेगा पैरेलली, वीकडेज में, वीक एंड पे कभी भी, है ना, वो आपका चलता रहेगा, ठीक है। तो वो 1 to 1 आपको हम रिपोर्ट करते रहेंगे कि आपकी प्रोग्रेस कैसी चल रही है, ठीक है। तो ये आपका साथ में चलेगा, प्लस आपका रिज्यूम प्रिपरेशन कि आपको कौन से एग्जैक्टली आपको कैसे जो आपका प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस है उसको कैसे शो करना है, और लाइक नौकरी और लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल आपको कैसे मेंटेन कर रही है कि मींस इन दैट वे यू विल गेट मोर एंड मोर कॉल्स, ओके, इंटरव्यू कॉल्स। सो ये हमारी तरफ से रहेगी, आपको सपोर्ट रहेगा, ठीक है। देन सिलेबस वाइज समरी, ये आपको टूल वाइज क्यू एक्सटर्म क्यू कैट, ये आपने खैर देख ही लिए, ये हमारा क्यू कैट है, ये क्यू एक्सडीएम है, ओके। ऑल आर लाइसेंस टूल, ओके, एंड प्रोप्राइटरी टूल, एज वी आर वर्किंग ऑलरेडी वर्किंग इन दैट एरिया, our team are working in field, that's why we have these tools, okay. So apart from that, ELT and Wireshark is open source tool, okay. So these tool we have, and Lozal as well, ये थोड़ा सा पुराना हो गया है, हमारा डॉक्यूमेंट तो एडिटेड नहीं है, ठीक है। तो ये टूल्स अभी हमने परचेज की हैं, ELT, सो वो हमारे पास में है, ओके। देन लैब एनवायरनमेंट कैसा रहेगा, लैब में कौन कौन से इक्विपमेंट रहते हैं, ठीक है, और कैसे वर्क करते हैं, कनेक्शन वाइज कैसा रहेगा, वो हम आपको एक बेसिक ओवरव्यू पिक्चर देंगे, मतलब आप इमेजिन कर पाओगे, इतनी हमारी वो है श्योरिटी है ना। जो भी हम आपको एक करना चाहेंगे कि भाई ऐसे ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट रहता है। देन फ्रॉम 5G पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, एंड 5G और 4G आप इतना वो रहिए कि हम स्टार्ट करेंगे इन वेरी बेसिक, मीन्स network architecture for an example, okay, what type of networking elements we have, like G node, B node, B, MME, okay, AMF means in case of 5G. Okay, so we will start from that type of topics. Okay,
टू बी
architect.
फ्रैंक टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, जैसे आपने शुरुआत जब किया था तो प्रोटोकॉल स्टैक से किया था, तो
Mhm.
हाँ वो मैंने देखा है, क्योंकि मैं पहले ही बताया कि आई एम जस्ट डूइंग सेल्फ स्टडी, सो
Mhm.
हाँ बेसिकली वो मैंने देखा है, लेकिन उसके बारे में बहुत ज्यादा मतलब मैं जानता नहीं।
हाँ, तो यही है। तो देखो,
हाँ।
स्टैक से हम, स्टैक तो फिर भी बहुत बाद की बात है ना। स्टैक तो काफी बाद की बात है। फर्स्ट थिंग है वेरी बेसिक आर्किटेक्चर, एलटी आर्किटेक्चर, है ना। उस
हम्म।
लेवल पे हम बात करेंगे स्टार्टिंग। प्रोटोकॉल तो फिर भी बहुत मतलब लेट आएगा कि भाई प्रोटोकॉल क्या होते हैं, कौन कौन से प्रोटोकॉल हैं। हम स्टार्ट करेंगे आर्किटेक्चर से, ठीक है। तो इसमें आप कोई वो नहीं है। और
तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे एलटी से स्टार्ट करेंगे कि 5G
एलटी
से ही
से,
स्टार्ट करें?
एलटी से नहीं,
एलटी
स्टार्ट
से।
एलटी से करेंगे। वो तो
ओके।
पहले 5G आ गया तो आप वो रहने दीजिए, है ना।
हम्म।
तो स्टार्ट करेंगे एलटी से। देन लाइक व्हाट इज लाइक दिस फंक्शनैलिटी, नेटवर्क स्लाइसिंग, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ बैंड्स वी हैव, ओके, सप्लीमेंट्री सर्विसेज वी हैव इन 5G, okay. Then each and every layer, I was talking about this layer SDEP. This is one add-on in L2 layer in 5G, okay. LT में ऐसी लेयर नहीं है, SDEP हमारे पास में, ठीक है। तो ये एक एड ऑन है, सो हम डिस्कस करेंगे इन सारी लेयर्स के बारे में। देन चैनल्स, ओके, SS burst, SSB, PBCH, okay. So these things means in detail, topic wise topic we will discuss in detail, like beam forming। मैं हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ जो की फीचर है ना। अभी बाकी डिस्कस तो सभी
ओके।
करेंगे, ठीक है। Then where is my beamforming key feature of LT? Oh, sorry, 5G. Okay, NSA and SA call flows. Okay, here all the things we will discuss in detail. Okay, then some ORAN. This will be overview only. Okay, means what is
Okay.
happening in ORAN, why that ORAN introduced this type of thing. Okay, splits we have like majorly we are using this 7.0, 7.2 split. Okay, and CUDU RU concept. And we'll try to explain in terms of like whatever we have in traditional RAN and what changed introduced in ORAN. Okay, these things we will discuss. Okay.
For Oran log, will use Rahul Wireshark.
Yeah, definitely. We have CUDU or this thing, if you are aware with the terminology. Okay. So we will discuss then. This is like now you have CPRI protocol. So, but in ORAN we have eCPRI protocol at front hole. Okay. So this thing we will discuss in ORAN front. Okay. So this is 4G. So again in 4G we will from practical point of view, these are some of the topic. What about testing we have, like sanity, regression, performance, stabilities, this type of unit testing, this type of testing we have. Okay, then from here we will start a 3GPP. Some points I've explained today. Okay, like 3GPP specification. तो देखो 3GPP स्पेसिफिकेशन में भी आपको सबको पता होगा, मतलब बहुत लोगों को पता होगा 3GPP क्या होता है ना। बहुत लोगों को पता होता है, प्रोटोकॉल्स के लिए अलग अलग है, काफी को वर्जन पता होगा, है ना। बट एग्जैक्टली एंड टू एंड एक जगह आपके जो डॉटेड हैं उनको मैच कराने का काम हम करेंगे, इतना आप मतलब ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो इसलिए एक ये टॉपिक है, आप मतलब ये जो आज दिखाया हमने एक छोटा सा 3GPP, बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता होता यार। आप टेस्टिंग में काम कर रहे हो, आप टेलीकॉम में काम कर रहे हो, है ना। तो 3GPP आपको पता होना चाहिए है क्या एग्जैक्टली। कहाँ से आप, अगर मैं अभी आपसे पूछ लूँ कि एक डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए मुझे इतने वर्जन का, है ना, अगर आपको नहीं पता है कहाँ से डाउनलोड करूँ, तो वो भी एक सही बात तो है नहीं, ठीक है। सो इन चीजों के बारे में, देन आर्किटेक्चर, ओके, frame structure, resource block, resource element, resource group CC, this type of calculation we will cover in PDCCH. Okay. Then OFDMA, SCFDMA, what is the benefit of OFDMA? And some of the topic I'm highlighting. Okay. This thing we cover every channel processing. Okay. And
अच्छा, जो जो फीस की बात है ये मैंने कितने कितने मतलब देना पड़ेगा महीने में, कैसे है इसका?
वो आप एक बार चाहे वापस वो कर लेना, है ना, पिंग करके पूछ लेना आप, अगर
ओके।
आपको कोई वो है, इशू है, तो आप डिस्कस कर सकते हैं ना, इस फ्रंट पे आप डिस्कस कर सकते हैं।
ओके।
हैंड ओवर कॉन्सेप्ट, हैंड ओवर कॉल फ्लो, X to S1 हैंड ओवर। Okay, these things we will discuss, and each and every layer like MAC layer functionality. Okay, these are some of the main
Mac Layer
Uh,
functionality. Okay,
okay, and from when it going to be started?
next week Saturday.
Okay.
Okay, so we
और
will
इस पे हम लोग
share.
ट्रबल शूट पार्ट भी कवर
Yeah,
करेंगे क्या, बिल्कुल?
yes,
सी एस एफ
Satish.
बी फेलियर, हैंड ओवर फेलियर, पी एस हैंड ओवर फेलियर, ये
हाँ
सारी
हाँ
चीज़ें।
हाँ, ये सारी चीजें रहेंगी, है ना?
ओके।
ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीजें रहेंगी, ये सब चीजें हम कवर करेंगे।
ओके।
देखिए, आप स्टार्ट करेंगे ना, थोड़ी थोड़ी क्लैरिटी आ जाएगी। जिसको आप ट्रबल शूट और इशू की बात कर रहे हैं ना,
हाँ।
वो छोटी सी
यस
चीज
यस।
होती है, वो इतनी बड़ी चीज है नहीं, है
एक्चुअली
ना? हाँ
मैंने जैसे इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, एक्चुअली
हाँ,
आई वर्क हियर एज अ बीओ एन इंजीनियर। सो
हम्म
मेजरली मेजर पार्ट यही होता है, ट्रबल शूट पार्ट ही हमारा। पैकेट
हम्म
ड्रॉप और ये सारी चीज़ें, लॉग एनालिसिस। तो
हम्म।
लॉग एनालिसिस, हाँ, वो ट्रबल शूट पार्ट, सी एस बी फेलियर, वो सारी चीज़ें ट्रबल शूट करना,
हाँ,
इसके
वो
लिए मैं
रहेंगी,
ज्वाइन।
वो रहेंगी। जैसे अब अगर आप CSFB पे भी ट्रबल शूट कर रहे होंगे, तो ऐसा कुछ बहुत भारी रीजन हो रहे भी नहीं होंगे। एक बार आपके अप्रोच समझ में आ गई, तो आप मतलब वो कर
हाँ
ही सकते हैं। ऐसा कुछ इतनी
हाँ,
बड़ी
बेसिक
चीज नहीं है।
कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर,
हाँ,
यस,
बेसिक
बेसिक
अगर
कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर।
कॉन्सेप्ट अगर आपके क्लियर हैं, तो आपको इतना बड़ा इशू आएगा नहीं कि मतलब एग्जैक्टली CSFB क्या है, प्रीक्वेस्टीज क्या है, मतलब अटैच टाइप हो गया, CS+PS सपोर्ट हो गया, देन रिलीज में उसको सेल मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा, ब्लाइंड तो नहीं मार रहा है एंड वगैरह। तो मतलब अगर बेसिक
ये
कॉन्सेप्ट आपके क्लियर है, तो आपको ऐसा चीज कोई इशू होगा नहीं। मतलब वही यही रहते हैं, देखो, मेन मेन। तो कुछ इशू
मेरा
ऐसे
मोटिव यही
हैं।
है, ज्वाइन करने का, क्लास ज्वाइन करने
देखो,
का,
एक चीज
बस।
है, कुछ अब मैं इसमें एक बस एक ऐड करूंगा कि कुछ रीजन ऐसे होते हैं जो ओबियस हैं, कि वो मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर सकता हूँ, है ना? कुछ रीजन ऐसे हैं जो कि जब मेरे सामने आएंगे ना, तभी मैं समझ पाऊंगा, तभी मैं एक्सप्लेन कर पाऊंगा।
ओके
तो
सर।
देखो, ऑब्वियस चीजें डेफिनेटली हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, जो सामने से कर सकते हैं, है ना? वो चीजें
ओके
आपके सामने एक्सप्लेन कर पाएंगे। बट फिर भी हम देखो एडमिट करते हैं, कुछ चीजें हो सकता है कि आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन हो उससे थोड़ा बहुत कम रह जाए, है ना? कि कुछ
यस
इशू
यस।
आप जो रियल टाइम पे देख रहे हो सकता है हम दिखाते टाइम पे नहीं कर पाए, बट ऑब्वियस चीजें आपको डेफिनेटली मिलेंगी, कि एटलीस्ट आप एक बेसिक आपको मिल जाएगा कि आप अपने आप से
बेसिक
कर
कॉन्सेप्ट
सकें।
क्लियर हो।
ये इसमें हमारी गारंटी है, इसमें आप कुछ डाउट करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
ओके।
हेलो सॉरी, मैं थोड़ा मिस किया था, मुझे एक दूसरा कॉल, इमरजेंसी कॉल आया था, तो
या श्योर।
आधे घंटे में मैं कुछ सुना नहीं हूँ। तो
श्योर।
कैन कैन समबडी वो समराइज कर सकते हैं थोड़ा, कि अभी क्या स्टेटस है, या ट्रेनिंग यहाँ खत्म हो रहा है या आगे कंटिन्यू कर रहा है, या कोई पेड सिचुएशन है, क्या है, कैसा है
एक्चुअली
थोड़ा?
ट्रेनिंग सेशन जो है, ट्रेनिंग शेड्यूल मतलब टाइमिंग का ही बताया है ये। बेसिकली दिस इज फॉर सैटरडे संडे,
हम्म,
एंड ट्रेनिंग विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट सैटरडे 18th,
हम्म।
and training fee is 38K. That will be in installment part, three installment,
कितना बोला, 38 के?
38K.
ओके, तो
Okay.
उसमें ड्यूरेशन कितना है, और क्या क्या
Duration
करना
Saturday 2 hours, Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours, 8 to
है? नहीं
10,
वो,
morning
नहीं
8
नहीं,
to 10.
फॉर
Four
फॉर
months.
फॉर
Four
हाउ
months.
लॉन्ग?
4 months.
4 months.
Eight
Yes,
four
अच्छा,
4 months.
months.
फोर
4 months.
Yeah.
4 months
Saturday
means
and Sunday, 2 2 hours. Eight
Saturday
to
and Sunday
on an
and
average, Saturday 2 hours, Sunday that is four
yeah,
hours,
eight
four
to
into four,
ten.
16 hours in a month.
यस एग्जैक्टली।
Yes.
Say 14, okay.
training will be on tool. We'll start from day one to deliver tool.
कौन सा टूल है?
Tool MediaTek and Qualcomm.
Okay.
ELT, QXDM, QCAT, Wireshark, Closure, these tools we have.
हाँ, जो आपने ट्रेनिंग में बताया था वही वाला टूल्स है
हाँ
ना?
हाँ, वही
Yes,
सर,
yes.
वही सर। ऑल आर प्रोप्राइटरी टूल।
तो उसमें आप लोग क्या क्या डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन देगा? फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज हम लोग कोई लॉग फाइल देगा, तो उसके ऊपर एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं आप लोग?
नहीं, आप जो लॉग फाइल देंगे उसका फॉर्मेट डिफरेंट होगा ना, तो वो ओपन नहीं होगा ना। आप ई नोट बी का लॉग देने को, किसका लॉग देने वाले हैं?
हम यूई लॉग
ये
भी
नोट
दे
भी।
सकते हैं, ई नोट भी का दे सकते हैं।
ई नोट बी का लॉग वारशक पे ओपन हो जाएगा,
हम्म।
और इन टूल पे नहीं होता है। एक्चुअली दे आर यूई स्पेसिफिक टूल।
नहीं, वायर शार्क में तो ऑलमोस्ट ऑल लॉग ओपन होता है ना?
वायरशैक में ओनली ई नोट बी का लॉग ओपन होता है,
वही
कोर
ना,
का
ई नोट,
लॉग। हाँ, ई
ई
नोट
नोट
बी
भी
एंड
का।
कोर। यूई साइड का लॉग ओनली फॉर स्पेसिफिक टूल, नॉट फॉर वायरशैक।
नहीं, वो ई नोट
और
भी का।
मीडिया टेक और क्वालकॉम क्यूएसटीएम पे वो यूई स्पेसिफिक है क्या? दैट्स फॉर।
यस यस, यूई स्पेसिफिक।
Okay.
जो बेसिकली मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, अगर हमारे पास दो तीन लोग हैं, वो उसके ऊपर भी आप लोग थोड़ा मदद कर सकते हैं, डेमो कर सकते हैं।
नहीं कर
हाँ,
सकते
हेल्प
हैं। मैं
कर
जस्ट
सकते हैं।
आप मैं एक बस यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट पूछना चाहूंगा कि व्हाट इज योर रिक्वायरमेंट हियर। मैं आप जैसे क्या आपका मोटिव क्या है?
मैं एक हम लोग तो कुछ कस्टमर एस्केलेशन आते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल कुछ
अच्छा नहीं, आप अपनी अपनी हेल्प
मैं
करते हैं।
आपको सीधा सीधा
So
बता
we
रहा हूँ
maybe
कि
For
we may
for
charge extra for this. We can.
आप लोग तो बड़ा एक्सपर्ट है, हमारे बंदे सोल्व नहीं कर सकते। मैं सोच रहा
नहीं
for
था
नहीं,
the
we can,
for
but
Rahul
I
just
think
Rahul
Arav can
just
provide different tariff
yeah.
for this this
will
Sam, so
facility.
will
then you are also in erection.
या या
will
Okay.
help
Location?
for
I-
UE not be locks. Okay, if suppose you will provide one project for RF Tech Solutions, definitely will provide. We have more technical expert apart from Ericsson.
मैंने एक्चुअली गलती की है। मुझे बोलना था बस, थोड़ा ट्रेनिंग के लिए ही था, वो रियल लाइफ का नहीं है। थोड़ा सा
Arav, you can schedule
I
one-to-one session with Samsudin. I
I
think we have
am
one product in pipeline.
I am expert of Wireshark.
Hello, Arav sir.
Uh,
नहीं चाहिए तो फिर मेरा टीम में ज्वाइन करो। हमारा ओपनिंग है एक स्पेशलिस्ट का, 5G SME का एक ओपनिंग है। मैं
Yeah,
ऑफर लेता
I also received offer from AGI in Noida, but declined in last month. I decided no work for telecom.
Hello, Arav sir. Saturday is my working day, so cannot afford Saturday.
You
Can
are in
you?
Geo, Ravi. You are in Geo.
Sorry, sir.
You are in Reliance Geo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Most of the our candidate, our last batch, 20 candidate from Geo.
वो एक ही सर्कल के आ गए थे यार, वो एक ही।
हाँ,
हाँ
सर मैं
तो वो ऐसा
उत्तराखंड
कुछ।
उत्तराखंड
ठीक
सर्कल
है।
में हूँ।
किस
अच्छा
सर्कल में
अच्छा,
आप?
अंडरस्टैंड।
उत्तराखंड सर, देहरादून।
उत्तराखंड
नो
से
इशू, वो आपको
है
आप
ना,
उसमें
जोशी।
भर लेना।
यस सर, यस सर।
मानेंद्र करके बंदा है, L2RF वहां से ज्वाइन।
एक्चुअली सर इलेक्शन के पे उस पे हूँ मैं, एंड पे हूँ।
अच्छा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। दो देखो,
नितेश है आई थिंक।
नहीं नहीं, एक
ओझा।
बंदा है उत्तराखंड से, नितेश तो मुंबई से है।
अच्छा मुंबई से है, ओके।
तो सर सैटरडे में वर्किंग डे रहता है मेरा, तो संडे
नहीं
कैन
कोई इशू नहीं है,
कैन।
आपको उसको वो मिल जाएंगे, आपके रिकॉर्डिंग है ना, आप मैनेज कर सकते हैं। आप
सैटरडे
जैसे
यार,
दिन ज्वाइन कर पाओ।
ऑफिस तुम्हारा 6 बजे से है, 8 बजे सुबह से है?
नहीं सर,
10?
शाम को तो सर 8-9 बज
अरे
जाते
नहीं
हैं।
भाई, मॉर्निंग में 10 बजे से है ना?
जी जी जी।
हाँ तो ठीक है ना, तो 8 बजे से ट्रेनिंग लो ना, 9:30 तक। उसके बाद रिकॉर्डिंग चलता रहेगा, तो अपना का
नहीं भी
बड़ो
है
बड़ो
यार,
टाइम
ऐसा
निकल
ये
जाओ।
मतलब वो नहीं है, आपको कुछ इशू नहीं होगा। अगर आपको होता है तो वीकडे में डिस्कस कर सकते हैं ना, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
ओके
तो देखो
ओके।
आपके साथ में जो इशू है, अगर टाइम शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि बाकी लोग कंफर्टेबल है, मतलब मोस्टली कंफर्टेबल है कि आपने सुबह किया और आप फ्री हो पूरे दिन के लिए, है ना। तो इसलिए बाकी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ऐसा कर लेंगे इस पे डिस्कस, ये तो मैनेज हो जाएगा, है ना। ये
ओके
इतना
सर।
बड़ा नहीं है, वो रिकॉर्डिंग सेशन आपको मिल जाएगा।
The
देखो इसमें
same
भी वो
thing.
नहीं है, लाइसेंस वर्जन है सब उसके टूल्स के, जैसे फॉर एन एग्जांपल दिस टीम्स के की मीट के, है ना। तो आपको रिकॉर्डिंग है वो नीट एंड क्लीन मिलेगी, ऐसा कुछ आपको इशू होगा नहीं, है ना। तो आप
भाई आप
उस
लोग लिंक्डइन में है? RF सोल्यूशन है क्या उसका नाम?
यस
हाँ
यस।
है या वी आर ऑन लिंक्डइन।
और ओके, और ट्रेनिंग कौन कौन देगा?
Training will give Rahul and Ram
राहुल एंड राम, हाँ?
in my supervision. I am also technical. Yeah.
आप लोग है लिंक्डइन में है आरव आपका इसमें?
Yes yes.
क्या है नाम आपका आरव?
Arab Tech Solutions, you can check.
नहीं नहीं, आपका इंडिविजुअल, ये तो आपका कंपनी का है ना?
Company MD.
नहीं, आपका
Oh,
इंडिविजुअल नहीं है?
individual along with the company page, both.
आरव टेक सॉल्यूशंस हो?
Arab Tech Solutions. Go in notification. I already watch your profile. I think you work for Venkatesh. Venkatesh Suresh is manager of Bangalore EGI.
या इज माय गुड फ्रेंड।
Yeah, yeah. I know personally.
अच्छा, मैं आपका देख रहा हूँ, आप मेरा देख रहे हैं,
You are senior candidate as compared to me. Okay, you are having experience greater than 20 years, right?
हाँ? 24 ईयर्स है।
24 years.
So,
Whereas
In
our watching profile is out of scope for this demo session.
Yeah, I know. अभी तो हमारा टाइम निकल गया ना, कितना 2 बजे तक था ना, अभी तो
Uh,
कैजुअल सेशन
this is kind of doubt session.
for me actually मेरा थोड़ा डिफरेंट सिनेरियो है, क्योंकि मैं आई हैव बीन वर्किंग देयर इन मतलब मैं अभी कनाडा में शिफ्ट हो चुका हूँ। तो यहाँ पे मैं मतलब इनिशियल लास्टली